大家好，我叫董夏琳. Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn, and today's character study will be on the character Dao. So a little bit of the origin of Dao is that it means knife or cut. And so as you can see in these photos, it originally had some sort of a handle and looked more of just like a small knife, and then slowly more evolved to be more abstract as time went by. Here's a little bit of its composition, as mentioned before. As you can see, you can kind of still see the handle on the left-hand side and the knife part of the blade on this side. A little bit of philosophical implications of this character. It originally was used as an instrument for cutting things, and then further used as like a living tool. A little bit of implications that was used for was also used for ritualistic and more spiritual practices. And lots of correlated items were used for blades, as you'll see in the upcoming slides. Um, and Dao was also primarily used for war as well as like household needs, such as like cutting things or um, different things to describe instruments. Again, here's more of evolution. We can see here in this end, it looks very much like a knife of some sort or blade, and again, becomes more and more abstracted as time goes on. Here are more of the calligraphy. As you can see, it's pretty consistent with its styles as it is currently. Here's a seal script on the left-hand side, and on the other ends, it really hasn't changed as much and is pretty consistent within the styles. A little bit of modern uses and radical uses. As you can see here, there's just different usages of the word dao and how it's used. So in the first one, we have is 切, which means to cut. Second one we have is 刺, which means to pierce with a knife. Third one we have is 搅, which means destroy. And the final one we have is 别, which means to separate or to part or bid farewell to, which again, that blade, more of that metaphorical implications. A little bit of modern usages and words and phrases. First one we have is 剪刀, which means scissors. Second one we have is a phrase that you could use, which is 一刀切, which means to cut in one stroke or to pretty much cut efficiently, and could also be used as a metaphorical sense too. The third one we have, could also be used more in more of the store or contexts, which is 开刀, which means to behead, or to perform an operation surgically. And the last one we have is 刺刀, which means a bayonet, which is some sort of weapon. Here are my sources. 谢谢 everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next one, and 再见.